Hello students, today we will discuss preoperative evaluation of unexpected increased liver function test values. The elevated alanine aminotransferase, that is ALT, and aspartate aminotransferase, that is AST, it reflect damage to hepatocytes. Bilirubin measures the ability of liver or liver's ability to conjugate or excrete bile or both. Alkaline phosphatase rises with degradation of hepatic excretion, also from bone turnover, and thus it is non-specific for liver disease. Then we will see albumin, the albumin and prothrombin time. Albumin and prothrombin time PT measures synthetic function of liver. Only 1 in 700 preoperative patients is unexpectedly found to have liver disease, and the vast majority are not severe disorders. If there is abnormal LFT, liver function test values are unexpectedly found, further testing or referral may be warranted. In patients with elevation of ALT or AST, screening for hepatitis with hepatitis A IgM antibody or hepatitis B surface antigen and core antigen and hepatitis B surface antibody and hepatitis C antibody can be helpful in establishing diagnosis. Then if elevated alkaline phosphatase or bilirubin with normal or mild to moderately increased transaminases will suggest obstruction of biliary system. Abdominal ultrasound, CT and ERCP, endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography, can establish the diagnosis. Thank you.